Guys, my name is Ravindra. In this video, we will talk about Git Stash. Git Stash is like a recycle bin in which we can drop all the changes that we have made in the repository without committing it. I will explain this by taking one of the example. So let's first head over to our repository and now edit one of this file. Now uh, I will remove this file, save it and close it. Now in the Git terminal I will do Git status. Since we have modified file 1, it is showing that we have modified this file. So type Git stash here. It says that it has saved the changes in the Git stash. Now do the Git status here. This time file 1 is not shown here because we have dropped all the changes in a Git stash without committing it. Now type git stash apply. Now all the changes that we have dropped in the git stash is now reverted back. Now it is now if you will do the git status, the changes in the file that we have made previously, it's shown here. In short, Git Stash is used to drop all the changes that we have made in the repository without committing it. And we can bring those changes again from the Git Stash. That's all in the Git Stash. I hope that you like this video.